I'm Cabin Joe, founder of It's Cabin Time. And if you've been searching for northern Wisconsin Hayward cabins and resorts, take a close look at Deerfoot Lodge and Resort on the Chippewa Flowage. What makes this place stand out right away is that guests can choose from 19 rental options, including resort cabins and hotel rooms, all set at one of the most loved family-friendly, fishing-friendly waterfront properties in the Hayward area. This is the kind of Northwoods stay where mornings start on the dock, afternoons are spent on the water, and evenings bring everyone back together by the lake. Cabin timers. When you book direct with resort manager Amanda and her team, you save on travel site fees every time. And that means more money for boat rentals, meals, bait, and vacation fun. At rentwisconsincabins.com, we're a trusted source for cabins, cottages, lodges, and homes because we vet every property we list. Deerfoot Lodge and Resort is a great pick for families, anglers, and groups who want easy access to the Chippewa Flowage and a comfortable place to settle in after a full day outside. Send an inquiry today.